What's the meaning of attic? Attic. Attic.
Attic. Attic. Attic refers to the space or room located in the highest part of a house, directly under the roof. This area is typically used for storage or can be converted into living space. The word attic originates from the Greek word atto, meaning uppermost. Attics are commonly found in houses with sloping roofs and can be accessed through a stairway or ladder. Due to their location, attics may be subject to extreme temperatures, which can impact their use and maintenance. Overall, attics serve as valuable additional space for homeowners looking to maximize their living area.